Most people are broke because they follow outdated money advice, but the rich, they play by different rules. And today I'll show you 3 finance hacks they quietly use that most people have never even heard of. There's a type of bank account the wealthy quietly use to earn risk-free returns, dodge hidden fees, and even boost their credit score without lifting a finger. The craziest part? You can set it up in under 10 minutes. And no, it's not some crypto scheme or savings app. It's called a high-interest current account, but not the ones you're thinking of. These are often tied to lesser-known credit unions or fintech banks that offer insane perks most traditional banks hide. Here's how it works. You open an account that gives you up to 5% interest just for making direct debits. Some accounts offer cash back on bills you already pay. Others let you split your income across multiple pots, auto-save money, or round up purchases automatically into high-yield savings. But here's the real kicker. Using multiple of these accounts at once can multiply your passive gains. Most people only use one boring bank account. Wealthy savers? They play the system like a puzzle. A single high-interest current account might earn you $100 a year. Stack 3 of them? That's 300 plus from doing absolutely nothing. Now imagine you redirect that passive income into an index fund, or even your emergency fund. You've built a compounding machine without budgeting harder or working more hours. This is the kind of financial game changer they never teach you in school. If you learned something new today, hit that subscribe button. I've got more secrets the rich use daily coming your way. Most people think building credit means getting into debt. But there's a sneaky little trick you can use to build your credit score without taking on a single loan. It's called a credit builder subscription. Yep, just like Netflix, but for your credit. Here's how it works. You sign up for a credit builder service. Some are as cheap as $1 or $2 per month. These companies report your payments to the credit bureaus like Experian and Equifax, just as if you were repaying a loan. But here's the truth. You're not actually borrowing anything. You're just simulating the behavior of a responsible borrower on autopilot. Over a few months, this can add 20 to 60 points to your credit score, depending on your profile. It's ideal if you're young, rebuilding, or just want to boost your financial rep without risk. Some of the most popular services even refund you the full amount at the end. So technically, it's free, just with a time delay. Most banks won't tell you this because they want you applying for credit cards instead, which make them money, not you. If you've ever been declined for financing or want better interest rates, this hack could be the key to getting accepted next time. And the best part? It's completely safe and it works even if your credit is bad. All you need is a bank account and a few pounds per month. Stack this with your high-interest account strategy from earlier, and you're upgrading your finances from 2 angles: passive income and borrowing power. You've probably heard that inflation is eating your savings. But the wealthy have a workaround. And no, it's not stocks, crypto, or property. It's called micro-accounting, and it's shockingly simple. The idea is this. Instead of keeping all your money in one pot, you split it into smaller, purpose-driven accounts. Think of it like having separate jars labeled bills, emergency, travel, invest, and even splurge. Why? Because behaviorally, when money is separated, you're less likely to overspend or dip into savings emotionally. And better yet, these accounts can each live in high-interest pots that actually earn while they sit. Some digital banks like Monzo, Revolut, or Starling let you create unlimited spaces or vaults. Each can have its own goal and even autosave rules. Here's the kicker. Some of these spaces earn interest not individually, and when inflation rises, you can shift your funds to the best yielding ones instantly, something traditional banks won't let you do. You're essentially creating your own financial ecosystem, automated, optimized, and invisible to your impulse spending brain. The rich have used systems like this for decades through private banking. Now fintech gives you the same power, for free. It sounds basic, but this hack protects your money psychologically and financially. It's one of the smartest ways to make inflation work for you, not against you. If you found even one of these tips useful, imagine what applying all 3 could do for your finances. I break down strategies like this every week, practical, overlooked, and actually worth your time. Hit subscribe if you're serious about making your money work smarter.